New for the 2024 model year, the Jeep brand is taking the Wrangler capability game to new heights with its first full-float Dana rear axle, available 100:1 crawl ratio, new factory-worn winch, and increased 5,000-pound tow capability. Inside, customers get to experience more comfort and safety with a new interior featuring available power front seats, standard 12.3-inch Uconnect touchscreen radio, and standard-sized curtain airbags in the first and second rows. The new 2024 Jeep Wrangler offers the most diverse powertrain options in the off-road segment, giving Wrangler customers the ability to choose the propulsion system that best suits their lifestyle. The advanced 4xe lineup and high-performance Rubicon 392 come exclusively with an 8-speed automatic transmission, while the 2.0 and 3.6-liter gas engines offer both a 6-speed manual transmission and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The 470 horsepower Wrangler Rubicon 392 returns for 2024 with standard Xtreme 35 package, 4.56 axle ratio, and Selec-Trac full-time transfer case, and 4-low ratio of 2.72:1. New for 2024, the Wrangler Rubicon models are available with a factory-installed 8,000-pound capacity worn winch mounted in a steel front bumper with removable end caps. The Wrangler High Altitude returns with new standard Sky One Touch power top, 12-way power and heated front seats, integrated front camera, and Selec-Trac full-time transfer case, in addition to a unique exterior appearance with 20-inch wheels and body-colored bumpers. High-altitude models are the first Wranglers to introduce exclusive new mantis green interior color on the instrument panel, mid-bolster, and Napa leather seats. For the 2024 model year, Wrangler features second-row outboard seatbelts with pre-tensioners and load limiters, as well as structural improvements for side impact performance.